If I told you the secret to less oily skin is to put more oil on your face, you'd probably think I was crazy. But this one change is what many of my oily skin clients notice results from almost immediately. Stop what you're doing, try this tonight, and then come back and tell me how it is 3 days later, all right? The quick win, the double cleanse. So what you're doing now, probably a one harsh cleanser, stripping everything. What actually works really great for oily skin is a double cleanse, an oil cleanser and then a really gentle cleanser after. So you're thinking, put oil on my already oily face? Yeah, I am. Thinking about the science, we're going to go back to chemistry 101. Like dissolves like. Oil on your face, sunscreen, makeup, all of it is oil-based. Water-based cleansers can't fully break that stuff up. So we want to add a little bit of oil first, give it time to break up the oil, rinse that off, use a secondary cleanser, and that will stop the stripping. When you get your skin totally clean, not stripped, truly clean, it doesn't panic. Your skin isn't left with residue that clogs the pores or leftover makeup that will cause breakouts. Your skin barrier stays intact. Your skin stops producing oil overabundantly, and you wake up less greasy. Makeup goes on smoother, not even shiny by 10 a.m. So here's the steps for a double cleanse, the right way. Apply oil to dry skin, not wet. Remember, oil breaks up oil. If we put water in there, we're changing the science. Put a little bit of oil on, massage it in for about 60 seconds, let it break everything down, rinse it with warm water, follow with a gentle cleanser. That will remove any residue without stripping the skin. Rinse it with warm water and pat dry. So what kind of oil do you need? We like to look for things like a lightweight oil that's non-comedogenic. Your second cleanser should be gentle. Low foam is great, or even a milky cleanser if you like that kind of thing. This is not the place for actives in your cleanser. In this case, for your skin, it is literally just money going down the drain. So using things like a vitamin C cleanser, it's going down the drain. It's not going to help your skin. We're looking for just the ingredients that are going to cleanse it. Save the actives for treatment steps, not cleansing. So what can you expect when this starts? I know this is a different process than you're used to, so I want you to know what to expect. Tonight, your skin will feel clean, not tight, not squeaky. And I know this is what we've all been trained to expect as clean skin, but it should not feel tight and it should not feel squeaky. Hang in there with me. I promise this will start to feel really normal and really great very quickly. Tomorrow morning, you can expect less oil production overnight, and within a few days, noticeably less oil throughout the day. This is the foundation. We're going to build on this, but this is a change that makes an immediate difference, one that gets better within days. Try this out for a few days, like I said in the beginning of the video, and then come back and tell me what you noticed. I really want to know how this works for you. This is a quick win, but in the next video, I'm going to give you 3 mistakes that are sabotaging your results. I see these things all the time with my clients in my spa.